Hey traders, I hope you're all doing well. So just a quick one on natural gas, gold, and crude oil today. So let's start our analysis with a natural gas here first. So now what do we have here? So as you can see, the market is pushing down since here and now broke below. Only one candle broke below, and then the next candle we got a nice engulfing candle and with the RSI overbought situation as well. So looking at that, we can expect a little bounce up from here, and the only bounce I'm looking is the 180R, which is 34. And so right here, so this is the bounce I'm looking for out of natural gas, and we have 50 EMA, and we can expect a push down from 50 EMA again. And as you can see on a daily time frame, what do we have? Prices making higher highs, and RSI is making lower highs. So that makes it the RSI divergence. And since then, as you can see, the price is weakening and pushing down. So that is why once we have a take profit hit here, I will exit my position and see what price action does. After that, it can push down again as we have this RSI divergence here as well. So that is what I'm looking at for natural gas at this point. But looking at the strong bullish momentum, as you can see, the market pushing at push down did not break and close below the previous low, and 50 EMA pushed the market up, and market is still in an uptrend. So that is why it's, to be on a safe side, is good to wait for the close of this candle on a daily time frame to make sure the market is pushing up. And on 4 hour time frame, I will wait for the market to break and close above 50 EMA, so that we'll be sure that the market is going to continue its trend and can break this previous high. The next support, the major support I'm looking at is 5.991, that goes down to 5.662, and this is a major level of support on a daily time frame. As you can see, the price reacted from this zone as a resistance right here, and if you look back left and see, right here as a resistance, right here as a support and support. So looking at the strong level, this will be my next zone. I will look for buying entries if we have a hit of this zone. Right here on capital.com, on currency.com, we have a different situation of candlestick pattern. Right here, let me show you what I've said in my previous video. So now the next, if we have a break close this zone, then we can expect a push down to the next zone, which is 6.508. But okay, perfect. So what do we have? Market closes below this zone, and we have two candle closes below this zone. Right here, two candle closes, and then we had a retest with this nice engulfing candle. Market pushes down to the next level of support, and if you look at a 1 hour time frame, you had engulfing candle, and from this engulfing candle, if you look at your ATR, if you would have entered here, and the ATR of this candle is 18, and right here, if you see, the very next candle hit your take profit as well. So on this data, got a nice entry condition, and the target would have been hit with a nice overbought situation as well on 1 hour time frame. I normally look for 4 hour time frame for entries, but I go on 1 hour as well. So right here, same thing. As you can see, price is pushing up. We do not have any sort of entry pattern, unlike we have on Awanda. We have a good entry candle here. We do not have any entry pattern, but if the price moves up on there on Awanda, of course it will move everywhere on every data. So looking at that, we can expect a market to hit 50 and 20 EMA. I will go for buy and long again if we have a break and close above 50 and 20 EMA. But as you can see, the market is in a strong bullish momentum and not breaking below the previous low, and 50 EMA push the market up. This is a support as well on daily time frame. If we have the spin bar closed like this, then there's a strong chance that the market will push up and break above the previous high and continue its trend upwards. So that is why I'm waiting for the market to be on a safe side to break and close above 50 EMA, so that we'll be sure that we have a good buying momentum in place. Otherwise, if you look at daily time frame, the price is making high, RSI is making lower high, so making this RSI divergence, weakening the price, and that is why I will only look for entering buy once we have a fully closed break and close above 50 EMA. Keep an eye on these entry patterns. On Onda, we have a entry condition. There's a chance that the market can still push up to 50 and 20 EMA. Let's check gold. Right here on gold, let me show you what I've said in my previous video. Won't be long, just want to connect the dots. Now I will expect a push down to 1874, from where I will look for buying confirmations to take long trades either as a double bottom as well. So this is the zone where I will be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, awesome. So right here on gold, now we hit our buying zone. The gold is now in our buying zone, but we do not have any entry condition yet. So either look for an entry condition on 1 hour time frame. If you get a push down and an engulfing candle, then we can go long from here. Or if we get a double bottom move from this zone, or in on your 4 hour time frame, once we have this close of this candle and then we have a next bullish candle, then we will go long accordingly. So that is how you will take your long entries. We are now in a buying zone. It can still move down in between this zone, and the zone is from 1829 goes up to 1847. Between this zone I will look for my buying confirmation to go long. Of course, we do not get any buying confirmation and we break and close below here with two candles, and I will expect a market to push down even more further to the next level of support. Let's check crude oil. Okay, now crude oil has broken the minor level of support, but right here what you see, it did give us a good entry reason right here from this support, and that would have been our stop loss hit. So right here, as now we are broken below our minor level, now the next level I'm looking at is 98. That goes down to 95,600, from where I will look for buying confirmation. Once we hit this zone, look for buying confirmation as an engulfers or double bottom moves. From here you can also get a pin bar, something like this. So once you get that, I will go long from here, and this is will be my buying zone. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green rest of the week. Till then, take care.